Hello, back again with another video. Sorry that I've been absent for the past couple weeks. Just health issues that I don't need to get into detail with. Got some awesome updates for my point of sale system. Yeah, you've known about these SATA ports for a while, but I just finished installing the Molex power connector for the daughter board. I'm undecided on whether I'm going to remove the backplane connector because it all depends on where it physically goes, because if it doesn't interfere with anything, I don't need to remove it, and that's just time saved. But the other exciting bit of news, I finally got some crimp-on connectors for these Molex plugs. They're the right diameter, but oh, come off it. The only real issue is that they're technically too long. I mean, I'm not going to complain because, one, I'm not going to bother tracking down the right ones, and two, if they're more secure, so you saw how much I was struggling with, but if they're more secure, there's really no need to. But yeah, I think I'll just show you one of the cool things that I've been able to do. All right. It's not quite thumb screws, but they do rotate. So what you'll be able to do is, when you're separating it, it just... Alright, it's going to be tedious to try separating that. So what you do is disconnect that, disconnect that, and then you disconnect that, and then a couple other cables, the SATA cables, the front panel cables, and then separate motherboard tray. Not as convenient as this backplane connector, obviously, but I mean, trying to reverse engineer that is just not worth it.